we in the Teprasit market and we will walk and show to you this market. Market is big. Shoes. Take a look, Shira, so many shoes. It's market start from this place. 590 from 600 baht. Minimum is 400 for 400. Copy. Okay, let's go, Shira. Everything from China. Massage also have here. No, this material is not good. What's why brand original is more better. Shira, do you remember before glow in the dark? I bought before in the I bought also in this market for Shira. Quality, copy is better by original. I don't like copy. Turn right, Shira. I remember this market have also food court with street foods. We can check, okay? Teprasit night market open from 5 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. Okay. Talk with Shira in Thai language because they think she is Thai, but Shira not understand, and she explain in Thai language. But Shira understand, of course. No, not understand language, but 80. 2 for 50. 2 for 50. If you want 2 pieces, Two for 80. Oh, for 50.
นี่เป็นนี่
No, up to you, Shire, up to you. You choose what you, for your sister or for you. Aye?
for me because I use
Up to you, you have money, you can buy. What you won't buy. I will go to outlet, have outlet. But you buy what you want. I asked Shara, maybe you want buy an outlet? She said, no, I don't want an outlet, it's so expensive. Better I will buy many pieces, cheapest, fan one. Same me, I always. If I buy only one, but expensive. Actually want many, but more. Many, but cheaper. Shira choose only one. She like only one. If go to straight, it's food market already, food court. But we will go to first Shira, we will go to outlet first. I want to take a look outlet. This one is premium outlet Pattaya. Yes. This way, Shira. Special deals, 70% off. Wrangler. I want a backpack big design. I think don't have here. Levi's I also don't like. I have Levi's. It's already finished. Okay, we come back. Okay, we come back to Tiprazit market. Shira tired and we will sit a little bit here. Are you tired, Shira?
I'm not tired. I just want to sit a little bit only because hot.
Ah, hot for you. Ah, okay. Again, we're going to Tiprazit market and Shira want it. That's why first we're going to street foods. Yeah, straight inside. What is? For what? Ah, everywhere have souvenir. No, Shira. We walk first. Take a look all. First we can check all. I want to see. $160. Near Sky Beach 100. Shaira, crocodile meat 40 baht. Pork 30, beef 30, chicken 30 also. Crocodile 40. $40 lemon tea. What is this? Sausage. Oh, 10 baht only. And pancake. We already ate before.
Like salad.
Yes. Salad.
Shawarma.
Yes.
Good.
Yes, this one is. Do you want to try? Your sister said you need to eat. If you want.
I can eat this one.
Вот. Ну, if you can, buy. Oh, buy and eat. Up to you. If you want take out, you can eat in hotel. Do you want?
Yeah, I need to open.
Oh, I don't know.
Later.
Later? No, okay.
No, we can try the crickets on this.
Okay, up to you. What is dog? Not understand. It's lost. No. Not now. It's better normal food, Shaira. Sweet we can eat later. Also I want this. $10 only, yeah.
Chicken, what is this with 50 baht? We can try that one.
Up to you if you want, you can buy. But where we can sit, Shaira? Outside?
What is this?
You choose, Shaira. Shaira, yes?
This one with the top.
Ah, you want fish?
You want fish?
No, I don't want fish.
One egg.
Yes, with egg I want.
But how much that one? It's 50?
15 baht. Better we buy something where I can sit. I don't want to buy takeout because I don't know where I can sit here. How much strawberry here? Okay, go. $25 baht only. First we will sit and buy something and come back. No, Shaira, not here. Need to find where I can sit. Need to find where. Yes, not easy to find space for seat. I don't know where we can eat. Because I don't want to buy for takeout. We go to hotel a lot. Так не hotel we can eat good also.
But here it's cheaper.
Да вот cheaper, Shaira, what cheaper. Shaira, you want to eat right now? We're going to home later. Problem you want to eat right now. If we go to hotel, it's only half-hour drive, and also we will buy something also here. But impossible to find table. I don't know. Really problem. We already know where better, because if we buy here, we can eat inside. You see, available table for it, yes? This one, yes? Ah, okay. Shaira, they said if buy only in this store, and we can eat.
This one is 140 baht, 130.
Okay, you choose. I also want, but I don't know, have table. Ah, we can sit also there. Okay, not problem. You choose, Shaira, first. No, it's okay. Rice have. Good. Street foods. Okay, Shaira, you choose. You take plate.
Plate or takeaway?
Where? Maybe this plate.
It's 140.
Hi?
140.
Okay. So we choose street foods in the market. We just finish it here. Total it's 140 baht. It's okay, good foods. Like street food. We will go to buy some drinks and sweets also. Honey lemon.
Honey with lemon.
No ice, no ice.
No ice.
Just put water more.
Just water.
And water, more water.
Oh,
Water,
more
water. No ice, only water.
Sure. You need more?
Water.
Okay.
Okay.
แล้วก่อนนะคะโอเค25 baht.
Thank you.
ไม่ใช่เจ้าประจำที่สุดเลยจะไม่รับครัวน้ำไส้อักเสบ ลิงมันดึงผมลิงมันชอบดึงผมผ่านหมดเลย ลูกแมวตัวไหนคะน่ารักนะเอง
Good.
No one buys him, you know, he's been here for time.
แล้วเป็นอะไรตัวเองเก็บไปได้
Grab it then. They want too much for it. You know, like 90 bags. No, 90 bags, yo. How much is one?
This one you can order new small baby, 95,000. Squirrel monkey.
Yeah, but why so expensive?
Because it's expensive. Squirrel monkey expensive. Not like Mamo said. Mamo said 40,000. Mamo said I also have.
Oh, Mama said you have, yeah? For me, that's it, yo.
Fine, yes.
Bando, Mama said small one, isn't it? For finger. For finger, yeah. That's the one I got in bando, that one there.
What Shaira you want? This? Chai Kai Muki. Chai Kai Muki. Cheesecake, blueberry cheesecake, strawberry, cranberry. Yes, I want this. This one.
Same.
2 pieces, Shaira?
And the other one.
Ah, you choose also. 25 baht, 1 pieces. Piece and this one. Okay, let's go. Fine. We will sit in the outlet because not easy to find table. Shaira, let's go. Oh, good. Yes, yes, you can sit here. Shaira, hold money. This one. I always give money, small amount to Shaira, and she pay if need. Scotch, Shaira, scotch, yes. We will eat half and half. Cheesecake and with, I don't know, chocolate. Okay, try, Shaira.
Or rather than the plastic.
What? Good? So what better? Same. What better, Shaira?
7-Eleven cake.
7-Eleven. Okay. No, I mean with cake, so what better? chocolate or cheesecake?
This one.
Okay, you can eat. Okay, we change. Not problem for me.
But it's so hard.
I want to go to popular drugstore. Many Russian people buy medicine, Thai medicine. I already filming this shop, drugstore, and I will show again. This is store location in the Teprazit market. Shaira, you can sit here and hold my backpack. I will buy something here. It's good if you sick. Better buy this one, recommended. 6 pieces, 58 only. I already buy before. I bought before.
Ito yung mga gusto mo yun.
From Teprazit to Marina, Central Marina, it's 98 baht. Share docker dash to family. 18 minutes wait. We already in a hotel. Shaira finding. What, Shaira, you want to know how much Philippine peso?
I have Philippine peso here, but
Okay. Up to you. If you want exchange, you exchange. Already in hotel. Thank you for watching. Shaira.
thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like.